My name is Amusa Kehinde Latif. I'm so excited this morning because I don't expect the results I got from Forex trading with the help of Akashx. I was introduced to this business by Mr. Victor Isibor in January. He said I should come and do a Forex trading. I said, sir, I don't have any idea about Forex trading. How a carpenter like me, ordinary carpenter that don't have the knowledge about Forex trading to trade Forex. Do you want me to blow my money? He said, no, you are not using your money to trade this time around. They have a good platform that will fund me to trade. What I will do is just to subscribe for this platform. So which platform is that? I say Akashx. Akashx, a product of my daily choice. So well, I don't have any idea concerning that. I don't know, and I don't know them. He said, if I can give it a try, that I know him. He don't used to promote any business that is not legit. I said, okay, sir, I believe in you, but I will give it a try. But now I don't have the money. But he introduced this thing to me in January. So I later joined their live session. Always. I'm seeing their testimonies. I'm seeing their live withdrawal. I'm seeing how people are excited, how they are making money. I say, if ordinary people they can do, if these people can do this, I think I can do better in this business. So I give it a try. Then by April 2025, I don't have money. April 25th, I don't have any money with me. How will I do this? I said, sir, I don't have money to subscribe for this business. He said, I should try. If I can give it a try, just my 1 month withdrawal, I will cover up all the money that I used to register for this business. I said, sir, is that true? He said, yes. Okay, I went to a friend of mine, sir. I went to a friend of mine, Robert, please, can you loan me money? I have a business that I want to do, but I don't have the money yet. I don't know if you can help me out. He said, what business is that? I said, it's Forex trading, no. Someone introduced me to the business. I said, Forex is very risky. Don't go into that business. I said, this person, they said they have a supportive platform, which they have tap to trade for novice. If you don't even know anything concerning Forex, it's just for you to approve the trade. Tap to trade. And they said they have scanners that I can copy and paste. And they have scanner that will give me direction of when to enter markets and when to come out. I said, if this thing is possible, I think I can do it. Let me give it a try. He said, okay, if you are sure of this, okay, I will borrow you the money, but you pay me back. I said, yes, I will pay you back. Immediately I withdrew. My first withdrawal, I will pay you back. He said, okay. And he gave me the money. April 2024, April 24th, I registered. I subscribed for the Akashx. And they said I will pass a little test, which is the challenge. I said, okay. They give me a demo account. Got so good. I passed the challenge without any fear, without having the knowledge, without knowing anything concerning Forex. I passed the challenge and I got funded $10,000. So I started after my 1 week trading. You can imagine, under 1 week, I traded under 1 week and I made my first withdrawal. My first withdrawal was 346 for a novice who don't know anything concerning Forex. My second withdrawal, after under 1 week, immediately I withdraw the 346. After then, I've made another profit. Okay, let me give this in a try. I withdraw another one, $146 again. I think this business is making sense. If I can do this and make this kind of money without having any knowledge of this business, I think I can do better. So now I've withdrawn, and immediately after I got funded, without having any knowledge about this business, I'm making $100 daily. Think about it. What if I now perfect and good and become a guru with $10,000, I think I will be making $500 daily. And assume I'm using their annual subscription, which is $200,000 funded account. By now, if I'm making 1% of $200,000 in a day, that means I will be making $2,000 daily. Think about it. So now I'm happy. I think I have a brighter future. And they have this platform that is supporting people. The headers are very good. We have the best platform. I am a professional furniture maker. And if you are ready to make money through Akashx crypto and Forex trading, click the link below to get started or WhatsApp me. Thank you.
I don't have the money to get started. I don't have the money. Watch the video. That man did not have the money to get started. Rewind it. Go and watch it. Okay. You know, I'm not a graduate. I did not go to school. It's my parents' fault. They didn't send me to school, so I can't tap into opportunities. Shh. That man is not a graduate. He's just a carpenter. I don't know anything about crypto or Forex or that field. I don't know anything about that field at all. I cannot venture into what I don't know. Shh. That man is a novice. Till now, he is still a novice. He still made a way. Now, the simple lesson, take home, the moral of this story, essentially, is that when there's a will, there's a way. When there is what? A will, there is a way. Number 2 lesson from this video is the most important part of any journey. The most important part of any journey is the beginning. Because if you don't start a journey, you can never reach your destination. That is the most important part. Start. It is when you start that you have any chance of finishing. Because if you never start a journey, you will never, your chances of arrival at your destination is 0. Impossibility. It will never happen. But the moment you start, you already have a 50% chance at completing that task. A lot of people will leave all the money in the world and focus on the excuses. There's a lot of money to be made nowadays in this world, in this digital age of artificial intelligence and robotics. You can actually print money out of thin air. If our forefathers that died in the 60s, in the 70s, and even in the 80s and early 90s, if they were to see what is happening today, they'll be like, what? It is very difficult to remain poor nowadays because the traditional way of making money has passed. People are becoming multi-millionaires doing unconventional things. Look at the way adults, all those older people today, look at the way they look at the younger generation making money. In their eyes, everybody is into fraud or money rituals. Why? Because they do not understand the newer ways of making money and how easy it can be. They do not understand that you can buy a crypto coin tonight and it will pump 100% tomorrow and you will cash out more than times 100 of your money, like those guys do with meme coins. They do not understand that they are content creators making thousands of dollars every day without stepping a foot out of their houses. So these older people see these young boys driving Porsche cars and they start making assumptions, not because they are malicious, but because they are short-sighted, they are myopic. So there's money virtually everywhere. We have social media managers making a lot of money. We have tech guys doing remote jobs, making a lot of money. But some people, because they are not willing to learn, to unlearn and develop themselves, they box themselves up inside a very tiny space. Then they are now giving excuses. What are those excuses? All those boys, they are into fraud. They are into fraud. I suspect he's a fraudster. That is why. They want to tell themselves, convince themselves that those that are making money are fraudsters so that they can sleep well at night. That will free up their conscience. It will make them to be more comfortable with their poverty. Leave your comfort zone. Instead of castigating everybody that is making money, why don't you ask them how they are making money? Look at that carpenter now, Mr. Amusa. He is a carpenter. He does furniture. Now, he has tapped into an opportunity, a very legitimate opportunity, and he can make up to $100 on a daily basis, like he said. His fellow carpenters who are short-sighted and myopic, very soon, they will start saying, oh, there's one juju or voodoo in his carpentry workshop. He kept something there. He has gone to do rituals. When a fool talks to other fools, they will agree, because fools are united in their idiocy. In their foolishness, there is unity. Except if there's a wise person amongst them to tell them no. Let us think outside the box. Instead of us making these assumptions, let us ask him. Maybe there's a vital information he can give to us that can benefit us. That is why it is not good to make assumptions. Instead, ask questions. There's money on the internet. A lot of money on the internet. A lot of money on the internet. Somebody, an older person, made a very foolish remark about Daddy Freeze, and I just laughed. This Daddy Freeze, he said, this Daddy Freeze, does he not mind his business? What is wrong with him? He must be a jobless man. Any trending issue, he will set ring light and be waving like this and be commenting on issues that don't concern him. His wife should be ashamed of him. Time that he will be using to make money. This person talking, castigating Daddy Freeze, that he is jobless, that he should look for a job. He is not even qualified to be Daddy Freeze's gate man, because he doesn't know that Daddy Freeze makes a whole lot of money from social commentary. Open your eyes, open your eyes and see the vast opportunities that are around you. There is money around you. Just pick up the money. Leave the excuses. All those your excuses will not pay your bills. It will not pay your house rent. It will not pay your children's school fees. It will not put food on your table. Do something. Wake up. I don't have money. I'm not a graduate. I'm not learned. I'm not this. I'm not that. Now you Sabio. I'm Victor Isibor. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.